Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating the system and confirming battery details so you know what you're fixing. Open Settings, go to About Phone, and install any MIUI updates. Then open Battery and Performance and record current estimates. Once done, scan recent apps and note which installed or updated around the drain start. Make sure to disable developer options features like Stay Awake. These first actions eliminate obvious causes and create a baseline for deeper diagnosis. You now identify exact culprits using battery usage and Android's battery graph. Tap each high-use app to see background activity. If an app misbehaves, force stop and clear its cache, then test. Uninstall if persistent. Next, restrict background privileges. Set app battery saver, disable auto start for non-essential apps, and enable battery saver during testing. Also check location, Bluetooth, and sync schedules. Reducing polling intervals will cut wake locks. These steps reduce. You finish by tuning persistent system settings and testing hardware assumptions. Lower refresh rate to 60 Hz, reduce brightness and screen timeout, and turn off always-on display and haptic feedback. Calibrate with one full charge, then drain to about 5% and charge fully once. This sometimes corrects reporting. If battery drain persists, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party apps, and as a last resort, backup and factory reset. If that fails, contact service for battery replacement or diagnostics. One key troubleshooting tip: test with a spare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.